Hello friends, you're welcome back to our channel, the Chimadi video channel. In this video I want to show you how to a comprehensive video from A to Z on how to buy USDT or any other coin from Bitget exchange via P2P. A lot of us don't know this P2P of a thing, and that's why we have problem. If you are starting for the first time, then once you want to start and the system demand that you do some few things process, just follow the prompt and do that, then you are set. Now for the sake of this video, I'm going to purchase a USDT. Just watch and see how it goes. Now I'm on Bitget page. This is just almost the same process in every exchange, but let's use Bitget and USDT as a token for this video. So at this point I'm at the front page, so let me click on this area. You see that up there, that top left, I click on it. Once you click on it, you will find yourself on this place. Now locate P2P, this P2P page. So I'm going to click on P2P. Now at this point you can see buy. Here you can see sell. In this case I want to buy. If you want to sell, I will prepare another video on how to sell. Maybe you have a coin like USDT you want to sell and get real cash, especially for those of us in Nigeria. Here you do it. Now we are buying. You want to buy with Nigerian Naira and buy USDT. So my buy button is on. Now before you do that, I want to show you the things you consider. You can see the coins I can buy from P2P here. You can see USDT here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, this Bitget, their coin, DAI, so many of them. If you keep on that, you see. But I want to buy USDT, so that's what I want to buy right now. Now, one thing you got to see, please, when you are buying, make sure you are dealing with the ones that are online. You can see this man is online. Most of them are online. You have to see, if you the one you see the buy button is still fresh, looking blue, that means they are online. Please don't make mistake. And now also, when picking a trader, consider some of these things. Now if you look at, for instance, this trader called Past, the trader has made a total of 21 orders in the last 30 days and has a review of 88%. It's so poor, someone having a review of 88%. So that review alone, I wouldn't consider him. Then this trader is Sky Big Name. He has made a total trade of orders of 2,143 in the last 30 days and has a review of 99%. That's good review, good rating. And this person have made a lot of orders, so you can trust this guy. And having seen this type, the next thing you're going to consider is how many quantities of USDT does he have. He has only 11.11 right now. But what you want to buy might be bigger. I want to buy more than this, so I'm not going to use it. So even though he has a good rating, but I can't buy from this person. He doesn't have enough now. And also, even if I'm to buy only $10, the question is, the person is saying that if you are buying, even if he has 1 million USDT, he's telling you the limit you can buy in Naira is anything. You cannot buy anything less than 10,000 Naira, worth less than 10,000 Naira worth of USDT, or anything more than 18,000 Naira. That means if you want to buy higher amount, he's not ready. That's it. So I leave him. I go to this person. I've made a total order of 3,204 within the last 30 days. 100% rating. Wow. And look at the price. He has a quantity of 114 USDT, and you can also spend between 16,000 to 41,000. So this person is right for me. I want to choose him. Excellency. So what do? I click on buy. This is a comprehensive video. Pay attention. Having clicked on buy, the question is, please, I will advise you also, make sure you put your amounts in Naira in this case, and make sure when you put your amount, let it be round number. Don't put anything that involves kobo, please. So at this point, I feel I want to buy $20 or plus, so it will be around 30, but let me put 35,000. Let me assume I want to buy coin worth of 35,000 Naira. So that will be giving me 21.01 USDT. You can see it, the equivalent is there. So okay, if I say okay, not 35,000, let me buy. Okay, do I buy 40 1,000 naira worth of, okay, let me, if I put 40, if I put something like 40,000, it give me $24 or thereabouts. The question is, do I need that? Is that what I will need at this time? It's okay. It's okay. No, let me use 35 because that's what personally I want to do for now. So that's $21. I have done this. Now, having done this, the person said bank transfer. I also need to read the terms. Welcome, I'm active. Let me see if there are other things he wrote as advertiser terms. There's not much he wrote here. So I click on buy USDT with 0 fees. I feel I'm done now. Watch me. So you can see, okay, I click on this. Make sure your network is ready. The order has been generated. Proceed to pay. It has been generated. Now, the contact, it said the other party has passed our real name and video identification verification. So you can trust him. The cryptocurrency in this order is said in escrow and all that. The amount is 35,000. Price is this bank transfer, order number, this and that. Welcome and active. You now say next. In this next, you are going to see the account name to pay. Copy this account name. Copy the account number that you see here. This account name. This account number. You are paying to money points. That is it. You can see all of this. So once you make this payment, you go to here and click on paid. Just watch what will happen now. Now I go over to my Pampi I want to use to pay. Remember, I'm going to do this payment within 15 minutes. So don't waste time. Don't just do this and go to sleep. I click on bank. Now I'm going to type that account number here. So I type the bank. That will help me to know, okay, when I type the bank, that is, what do we call it? Money points. It's supposed to show me that, wow, that is the name, Excellent Computer Services and Accessories, Yassi Mohammed Ali. That's correct. It must match with that. So I click on next. I want to place, okay. Now I type the amount. You must agree with what I put in there, 35,000. Please don't put anything related with crypto on this remark. Please don't put anything there. Just do this. Then I click on confirm. Because this is the first place. The system will say be sure, recheck. I'm already done that. Now at this point, I can make payments. I pay. You can see I've made this payment now. That is successful. I'll have to save this because I'm going to upload it. So I go back to my transaction area so that I can save this transaction. Now at this point, I save it. Now at this point, immediately it's complete. You're going to see completed. You see the order is completed. You don't necessarily need to start writing the person, even though sometimes some of them, but you see, when the system tells you we have confirmed this person, it's always a very clean work. Even though as a beginner you might be afraid, that's why you start small. Maybe you want to buy $10 and all that. But this is clean work. So it's completed and it says view asset. So I click to view my asset. Sorry, please. Okay, see, my asset is here. I don't have exactly this amount before. Now I have it. This is exactly the $21 I bought, $21.1. This is what I have there before. So I have now a total of this. You understand? So I bought it. It's not in my account. I can transfer this to another wallet, maybe outside this place. I can still sell it back through P2P. I can sell it by maybe someone wants to buy and pay me money. All I will need to do is to collect more person's wallet address and send to the person, collect cash. So there are many ways to do this. We can always, teach on all of this. So that's why if you're watching the video, please do wait to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit down the notification bell so that as we are releasing more of these training videos on crypto, you learn how to do all this stuff for yourself, not depending on anyone. So it is now here, very, very easy. Share this video, like it, and let others learn. everything about crypto earning, crypto trading, airdrop, and as he had to do it. Learning how to do all of this, especially this time around, we have so many newbies joining the crypto world. You need to know how to do this stuff so that you don't depend on others to do it for you. And that's exactly what this video is all about. Make sure you go through this video from beginning to end to get every part of this video. It will help you. I wish to stop at this point. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.